and welcome to Terial Arts with Terry. I'm Terry McFeely, creator of Terial Magic, the spray-on fabric stabilizer that makes fabric more paper-like. It keeps it from fraying and it makes it very stable. So today we're going to be making these adorable hairbands, and of course I made these for my granddaughter, but they're made out of a very stretchy fabric. Of course, it's been washed out, the Terial Magic's been washed out, but I was able to embroider on the knit fabric without any other stabilizers, just Terial Magic. There's a couple of things to keep in mind while you're watching the video. Number one, of course, you treat your fabric with Terial Magic, but to embroider, my hoop's larger, of course, than my hairband. So I use these little extensions. This is just made out of an old sheet. I've treated the fabric with Terial Magic. In the video you'll see I used fabric that wasn't treated and it frayed, it wouldn't last, whereas these I can use time and time again. So I would treat the extensions with Terial Magic. And the other thing is when you're laying your fabric out, mark the center lines all the way across the length and the width so that you can center your embroidery. Whether it's lettering, flowers, or any kind of artwork, it's always good to know exactly where the center is. So let's get started. Just a couple of things in closing. When making, or I should say when embroidering on the t-shirt knit, I used a t-shirt knit. Lycra doesn't work as well, but t-shirt knits work fine. When I was embroidering, I used a standard embroidery needle. You do not need to use a ballpoint. Because the Terial Magic makes the fabric more like a woven, the ballpoints don't work. So just use a standard embroidery needle. And if you would please like this video. I'd be so happy to see your thumbs up. Thanks.